We're up to layer 5 in the OSI model, the session layer. And we can think of the session layer much like the moderator of a meeting. That moderator is responsible for getting the meeting started, keeping it going, and then ending it appropriately. That's really what the session layer is doing. It's got three main jobs: setting up, maintaining, and then tearing down communication sessions. When we're setting up a session, I'll use an example from the voice over IP world, we might send out a request to negotiate what codec, what coder decoder we're going to be using to encode voice. That information is the type of information that would be exchanged during the setup process. Maybe what UDP port numbers are we going to be using to stream the voice. So we've set up the session, and then maintaining a session, make sure that it doesn't drop unexpectedly. And if it does drop, we want to reestablish that session. And then as we tear down the session, we want to make sure that all parties involved are agreeing that we're ending the session. It might involve sending them a bye message or something like that to have them agree that we are terminating that session. And a few examples of protocols that might live at the session layer. Again, in the voice or video world, we have SIP, the session initiation protocol, that can be used to set up voice and video sessions. We also have something like RPC, remote procedure call, that can be used to execute a process on a remote computer. Or we might have SMB, server message block, that you might see in a Microsoft Windows network. If you've ever attached to a shared resource on a Microsoft Windows network by doing a //server /share name, then you're using SMB. And those are some examples of things we might find at the session layer. I'll see you back next time for layer number 6, the presentation layer.